Today's Gospel is part of the Sermon on the Mount where Jesus gave us clear insights into the noble life. He wanted us to live as His faithful disciples. Consequently, a weighty challenge confronts us. How can we become perfect as our Heavenly Father is perfect? God never asks for the impossible. Here, Jesus is only pointing towards the goal and inspiring us to strive to reach it, assured of His help and grace. As a young child, I spoke only Spanish, my mother tongue. When my family moved to New York, I was enrolled in an English medium school. My classmates would laugh at my strange accent and mistakes. I wanted to learn English as quickly as possible. The principal was very encouraging. A day came when he called me to his office and asked me to teach English to a new student who suffered from the same handicap. I had reached my goal. To become perfect as your Father is perfect, we need to follow Jesus' example, love our neighbor and our enemies too. In today's first reading, Paul notices the genuine love of the young Corinthian church and expresses his satisfaction and approval. They had accepted Jesus' challenge to strive for perfection. Indeed, the road to perfection begins with a sincere effort to love everybody.